Okay, so this is our project. I need to fix this phone. This is iPhone's A1688, iPhone S. Uy, sagol ng Stanley dahil. Ako rin yung gikuan project with not Twins. That's my tool for like a vice grip. Anyway, bungkagon na nina to. Kuha na to ng daan nga screen, kailisan na to bago nga screen. Then after we change the new screen, after we take it out, we have to transfer also the cameras and everything, and then put it back again, and then finish. Boom, that's it. So at the moment, I still have lots of phones to fix. Kasi klase lang din yung mga iPhones o Samsung. When record ka nang, I have to change the screen because most of the screens are broken. But anyway, I will be uploading my videos here and there in YouTube as well. So if you happen to see my video, please subscribe and follow me so I can make more videos and you can have more to watch. So until here, enjoy. The phone is fixed already.